Climate of Africa. Since Africa extends into both northern and southern hemispheres, it experiences summer and winter at the same time. In June, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in south and vice versa in December. There are four main factors that affect the climate of Africa. First is the latitude. Because of its location, 37 degrees north and 35 degrees south, most of Africa lies in the torrid zone. As the equator passes through the middle of the continent, it receives direct sun rays during the year. Hence, most of Africa experiences hot climate throughout the year. Land and sea contrast is the second factor. Africa is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west and the Indian Ocean on the east. Hence, it gives a moderating effect along the coastal areas. Cool Canaries and Benguela currents that wash the coastal areas of Africa have a cooling effect on them. They do not pick up moisture, while the warm Mozambique current washing the southeast coast of Africa carries more moisture. Although most of Africa is hot throughout the year, the plateaus which are at a higher elevation are cooler than the lowlands. Ethiopia in Africa is the hottest place on earth, with average shade temperature at 34.5 degrees Celsius, and the highest temperature recorded has been at Libya in Africa at 58 degrees Celsius. Since average annual temperatures are high nearly everywhere in Africa, division of the continent into climatic regions is based chiefly on amount and seasonal distribution of rainfall. The continent can be divided into 8 climatic regions. The equatorial region covers the lowlands on either side of the equator, and the range of temperature is small. It is hot and wet throughout the year, with not much difference in the summer and winter conditions. Rain is of conventional type, with heavy downpours every afternoon. The hot and humid conditions make the equatorial climate very unpleasant. The savanna region, also known as the Sudan type, is found in the broad belt on either side of the equatorial regions, with high temperatures and rainfall in summer. The temperatures are lower in the eastern highlands than in the lowlands, and there is more rainfall on the eastern coast as it faces the moisture-laden trade winds blowing from the Indian Ocean. Africa has 2 extensive deserts on both north and south of the hemisphere, known as the tropical desert region. Here, the summers are hot while the winters are cool, and there is hardly any rainfall. Since there are few clouds to stop the sun's rays, days are extremely hot, while at night, since no clouds stop the heat escaping, the desert cools rapidly. Hence, there is greater difference in day and night temperatures. The Sahara Desert in the north is the largest desert in the world and covers almost 1/3 of the African land area. The much smaller Kalahari Desert lies in the south. In the tropical region, the trade winds blow from the eastern direction, giving rain to the eastern margins, while the western margins remain dry. Hence, tropical deserts are usually found in the western margins. The Mediterranean region is found along northern coast and the southern tip of Africa. It has hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Unlike other climatic regions, This is the only region that gets rain only in winters. The temperate grasslands region of Africa is also known as the Veld of Velds, meaning field in Dutch. Found far away from the sea, in the interior of South Africa, there is a large difference in the summer and winter temperatures. The summers are hot with scanty rain and winters are cold with scanty rain. Small amount of rainfall is distributed throughout the year. The highland region covers areas in Ethiopia and East Africa. Due to elevation, the highlands are cooler with scanty rainfall occurring in summers. The monsoon type of region is found in part of Eastern Africa and the island of Madagascar. In summer, the hot land creates low pressure, attracting rain-bearing winds from the ocean. Hence, summers are hot and wet, and winters are cool and dry. Rainfall is unreliable and varies from year to year. China type found in Southeast Africa has hot and wet summers and mild and dry winters. Though some rain is brought by the trade winds blowing from the sea, it is less than the rainfall in the monsoon region.